No, it doesn't look that bad when you first come down here, but imagine it with all the lights out. This is the boiler room at 26 Court Street. This is where the old boilers used to be. Well, actually, the boilers that replaced the old boilers used to be. Look at this place. Something crazy. I don't know if I can show it. Can't see it. This is the old boiler. One of them. There's three of them. It's the old piping. Another one. Look at this thing. This place is creepy. There's the old fire alarm cabinet. I mean, it's the old fire pump system. That's the street. This is where they're doing demo. There used to be a chiller right there. Hey, look at this. I want to talk about old. I wonder how long that's been there. And this fucking thing. This place is creepy. So they're doing demo, as you can see, they're in the middle of demo. All the pins full. There used to be a giant chiller right here. Look at this motor. Look at that thing. This place sure is creepy. Imagine working down there. Look at the old bus duct. It's throughout the building. Now you're back out the boiler. All this shit's coming out. A lot of work here, Jules.